In this video, we will see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x800f0826 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, your update is not installing, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side, go to System Settings. Click on System. From the right side, look for the option Troubleshoot. Here, click on Other Troubleshooters and run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Click on Run option and Windows Troubleshoot page will open. It will not only detect the issue, trying to fix your issues related to Windows Update, if any found. And check whether your error is resolved or not, Windows updating or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the Start button and choose Run. In Run dialog box, type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here under available services, you will have to start or restart various Windows Update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it, choose a start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and click on apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer services. Go to the W alphabet and look for Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it, choose start or restart. In my case, this is in a stop mode, so we will start it and apply a double click on it, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last services is Windows update services. Same process, right click on it, choose start or restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. Close the windows and check whether Windows Update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows Search and type CMD. Open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and in command prompt windows, execute these three DISM tool first: DISM online scanhealth, DISM online checkhealth, and DISM online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. Once successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. Type sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check Windows Update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows Search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. Click on OK. A new window will open. Here go to files to delete section and make the check against all these options: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, yours files history, temporary downloaded program files, and click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. And after that, check whether Windows latest update KB update installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type CMD. and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator, and in command prompt Windows you will have to execute some Windows update components as shown on screen. Execute all these commands one by one followed by enter key on each time. First execute these 4 commands to stop these 4 services. Simply copy and paste it in command prompt Windows one by one. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. Thereafter execute these components one by one. Simply copy it and paste it in command prompt Windows one by one followed by enter key on each time. After that execute these 4 commands to start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Now start them, and after that close the windows and don't forget to restart your system. And after that check whether Windows update installing or not. If not, manually download and install Windows latest update to your system. To manually download and install, open your browser, either Chrome or Firefox. Here in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog, press enter, and open first appeared result Microsoft Update Catalog, and in search field type the desired KV update KV50520077 and click on search. All its related updates will available here. Windows 10 version 1903 and later, Windows KV update. Simply click on download button against each update and follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process in your system, Windows 10 system.